Tired of drowning in paperwork and struggling to keep your business finances organized? Quicken Classic Business can be your solution, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get started. First, let's create a new company file. Click on File, then select New Company. This will start the New Company Setup wizard, walking you through the steps. Select Create a New Company File. You will be prompted to your business file name and select where to save the file. Now, let's add your business accounts. Quicken supports a range of account types, including checking, savings, credit cards, and even loan accounts. Click Add Account, then select the appropriate type. For this example, we'll add a checking account. Enter the account name, your bank, and starting balance. You can connect your bank to download transactions automatically. Once connected, Quicken will download your transactions, saving you time. That's it. Now you can start using Quicken Classic Business for managing your business finances. Explore the features, customize your settings, and start simplifying your business finances today.